Hey y'all, so this week I'm going to be doing a side flat twist out. This is really one of my favorite ways to wear my hair. It'd be looking all cute when it's pushed to the side, a lot of volume. So I'm gonna get right to it and I hope you guys like it. So the first thing I like to do is turn my head to the side of whatever side I want the style to go towards, and I just start at the end by my ear and I bring the comb all the way over to the other side. Once you get to the end, you may have to adjust a few times just to get that part neat in the size to where you like it. I like it chunky because I like the way the curls turn out. After I have my part, I take a little clippy that you can find at your local beauty supply store and I just pin my hair up so it won't get in the way. I start off by using my Miel Organics Curl and Shine Smoothie and I just dab that and run it through the hair. It's lightweight, it keeps your hair soft, and it smells amazing. This just keeps the twist out really light and fluffy and not too weighed down. I really like this product. The whole line is great. So after I comb that through, I then rub a little Eco Styler through my hair. That keeps the curl really defined. This is a little heavier, but I don't use too much just so it won't be weighed down. And then I start at the edge by my ear and I begin to do that flat twist. You just want to grab two pieces and start twisting, making sure your hair is detangled. So on the first twist, I do stop midway right where the curl would hang in front of my face and I just continue to twist down. The reason I do that is I have a little bit of heat damage in the front of my hair. So I want to make sure those pieces in the front are just as defined as the rest of the twist out. So I want to use my roller on those front pieces too and not just at the very edge of the twist out. So after I twist that piece with the roller, I just continue to do that step throughout that part. So I'm going to roll this piece, snap it, and then I'm going to part my hair again. And after I part that piece, I'm just going to go downward, continue to twist out in the same motion that I did before. And after I do that, I just continue that process throughout that one part. I'm going to roll that and snap it again. And once I finish rolling that piece, on that last piece, I just go downward all the way to the end as I would if I was coming all the way over with the twist. Once you finish twisting that, you again add another roller. I like the really tiny rollers because it kind of mimics the shape of your natural twist and it just makes it bomb when you take it out at the end and keep it really defined. I'm going to repeat this process throughout the rest of my hair, parting that second piece to the side, rubbing the product all the way through. Again, using the Miel Organics Curl and Shine Smoothie and that Eco Styler. And once again, you want to make sure your part is even and neat as possible, getting it to the width that you prefer it. I'm going to rub that product through and start that twist again. This time I'm bringing it all the way over because these pieces won't be falling to the front of my hair, so it doesn't really matter how defined those curls are. I'm going to go all the way down, and once I get to the end, add another roller, and then I'm done. Once I get to those back pieces, I just split it in two and I twist it going in a diagonal motion, going towards the same side as the rest of the twist. You can't really go to the side anymore, so I just twist it going down and sidewards in a slant motion and bring it over to the side so it can still be going in that direction. And in the end, this is how it will look. So now that I've let my hair dry, I'm going to start unraveling it piece by piece. When you're separating your twist, you want to make sure that you unravel them around in a loop motion. You don't want to just grab your hand through the twist because you don't want to mess it up. And then doing it in that circular motion keeps the twist really defined. And as you can see, I'm sliding my finger through the piece that's already separated. And I'm bringing those pieces that were on the other side back over so it can all lay to one side. And I'm just going to keep doing that for each twist. And as you can see, I'm still looping those twists in a two-piece motion. On each side, I'm taking it out starting at the end and just looping it around, and looping it around again. And you're just going to keep going with this process as you continue to take the twist out. Honestly, this is not as defined as I normally like my twists to be, but I usually will let this dry overnight, and today I just kind of blew dry it to make it dry faster because I started in the morning and I had stuff to do. But after I take the twist out, I take my East Coast styler and my edge control and I just brush the sides up, make those edges look nice, and then I tuck some bobby pins in the front, and then I'll do one in the back, and I'll do a little twist to hold that in place, and then I just fluff it out until I am satisfied, and that is all.